Welcome to Africa channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to help us.
The self-healing vinyl wraps are available in several colors, but none of them are cheap. Have you been finding that you're falling out of love with your Tesla's exterior color? Are you sick and tired of seeing 40 other pearl white Model Ys at the local Whole Foods, or 60 solid black Model 3s at the coffee shop? Tesla is offering a way for you to stand out from the crowd, but it is not going to be cheap. The automaker has just revealed that Model 3 and Model Y owners can now order wraps directly in the official Tesla app. Buyers can choose one of 7 colors: glacier blue, forest green, satin rose gold, slip gray, satin ceramic white, satin stealth black, and crimson red. Not a bad collection of hues to choose from, and each one seems to have its own quirks. To our eyes, the forest green wrap looks like it has a slight pearlescence to it, while the slip gray has little to no metallic reflections. The bad news is that despite what color you choose, none of these wraps are cheap. Starting at $7,500, with some colors costing $8,000, the wraps do include installation and materials, and are claimed to be made from a self-healing urethane film. We remember a time when those in the aftermarket community thought vinyl wrapping would be a cheap alternative to repainting a car. How things have changed. If you want to know exactly how much each color costs, check out our pricing breakdown below. Tesla hasn't said if the wrap option will be coming to its other vehicles like the Model X or Model S. We'd ask them, but you know how Tesla rolls. We have to imagine that if this first set of wraps sells well, Tesla will expand the option to its other models.
We have come to the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to help us.